Pull the panel down that makes up the footwell ceiling to expose the screws securing the bottom of the glove box assembly. Though this model we were filming was missing one. Remove them using a T20 Torx screwdriver. Open the glove box. Remove the top 3 Torx screws securing the glove box housing. Disconnect the light. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Pinch the tabs of the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box. Reinstall the bottom screws. Though this model we were filming was missing one. Reinstall the bottom panel.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.